Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew gravy. First, ensure your stew has finished cooking and you have a flavorful liquid. Carefully skim off any excess fat from the surface of the liquid. This step is crucial for a smooth, rich gravy without an oily texture. Next, we'll prepare a simple roux to thicken our delicious base. To make your roux, melt about 2 tablespoons of butter or some of that rendered fat in a separate pan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in an equal amount of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking constantly for 1 to 2 minutes. You want a beautiful golden brown color, which indicates the flour has cooked out and will not give your gravy a raw taste.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding these gravy tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Also, on another note, just like you wouldn't settle for bland gravy, why settle for cheap socks? Life's too short. Go darn tough with their amazing lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now for the magic. Slowly, and I mean slowly, pour your hot stew liquid into the roux while continuously whisking. This prevents lumps and ensures a silky smooth texture. Keep whisking until the gravy reaches your preferred thickness. Let it gently simmer for about 5 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the gravy to fully thicken. With your gravy thickened, it's time for the final crucial step, tasting and adjusting. Give it a try and add salt, freshly ground black pepper, or even a dash of Worcestershire sauce if you like. Remember, a little goes a long way. Once seasoned to perfection, your rich, flavorful stew gravy is ready to be served. Enjoy it over your delicious stew.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.